Today we're going to be making the Last Word. Last Word is a classic cocktail. It starts with 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Then 3/4 ounce of gin. 3/4 ounce of green chartreuse. And a 3/4 ounce of Luxardo Maraschino cherry liqueur. This one pours slow for some reason. I never know why. I'm going to shake it till you build a nice frost on the cup. I'm going to double strain it to make sure we don't get any ice chips in here whatsoever. So you want it to be a cool, clear liquid. Look at that. That's a perfect pour right there. If I've ever seen one. We're going to garnish the brandied cherry right on top. And there you have the Last Word. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, so you've got a little bit of the juniper in there, mainly the green chartreuse, and then the the citrusy kick of the lime juice. It starts though with a little bit of the musky Luxardo, but then it just sweetens up and then bitters through. It provides you with almost all of the flavors. A little bit of umami, bitterness, sweetness, sour, all at once. Which is why I think this is the Last Word in flavor profile. Cheers.